Anybody ever had one of those coughs that even when I'm not coughing, I've got a cough? Because every time I breathe, my windpipe constricts. Every time I breathe, I can feel I'm always on the edge, without interval, without gap, of experiencing that cough in my throat or in my chest. That is what it means to pray without ceasing in a picture. To always be just one breath away from experiencing the presence of God. Always just one breath away from being able to speak His name, even if it is under your breath. Always just one breath away or thought away from becoming mindful of a God who is good and who is real and who dwells on the inside of you.